Unit 4, Exercise 21. You want to optimize the requirement planning. The manually reserved material are often withdrawn too early from the warehouse. Okay. To prevent this from happening in the future, use the movement allowed indicator to only allow a good withdrawal close to the base date of the reservation. Okay. Test the function of the movement allowed indicator. And after that, you also want to test the deletion of reservation that are final issue affected. It is planned to delete all reservation with final issue 30 days after the base date. Okay. Create a reservation for a transfer posting of 10 pieces of this material. The transfer posting is to take place between storage location 1 and 2 in plant 1030. The base date of the reservation is today's date. The good movement is not allowed for this reservation. Okay, so create reservation. Movement type is okay. Plant 1030. Receiving storage location 2. Material. Okay. Here we have our posted reservation. And list to check that in your reservation, the movement allowed indicator is not set and the reservation is not final issue affected. Okay, so display list reservation. Material and plant. Okay, this one. Movement allowed is okay and final issue is not. So you would like to change this reservation here. Good. Movement not allowed and completed not allowed. Post. Back to the reservation list. Okay. That is because we didn't check this good movement not possible. And here it is. So now we're good. The good movement is not allowed for this reservation. And again here, check that in your reservation, the movement allowed indicator is not set and the reservation is not final issue affected. So this is correct. Now, 3. Test whether a good movement is possible. To do this, use the picking list. Okay. So the picking list is here. Pick list reservation. We would like to try this one in the plant 1030. No good movement can be selected, and that is because the movement allowed is not correct. So we are going to change it. Here, change reservation. This one. Now we are going to say movement allowed and complete issue, post, document posted. So back to the pick list reservation. This one. No good movement can be selected, and this time it is because of the complete indicator. So we are going to change it. This one. Here we have the complete indicator should not be checked. So back to the picking again. Execute. This time is okay. 10 pieces from plant 1030 location 1, movement 311. The reservation. This is the receiving storage location 2. Requirement quantity 10. Requirement date. Okay, now we can post. Good movement posted, incorrect 0. So we set again the movement allowed indicator. We post the removal for the reservation using picking list. Now we are going to use the reservation list to check that the reservation item is final issue effected. So list reservation. This is okay. Execute. Final issue is effected. Or manage reservation. This one. And save. Change have been made. Okay, and finally, we are going to check the customizing setting for the deleting reservation with Manage Reservation function. To do that, we have the customizing. In Material Management, in Inventory Management and Physical Inventory, for the reservation, define default value. In the plant, we have here and here our 2 plants. The retention period is 30 days. This is the answer to this question. How long is the retention period of a reservation item for plant 1030? So 30 days. So we still have one operation, is to check whether you can still display the reservation. We already deleted. So here, display reservation. This one, reservation does not exist. Voila.